presenting the Toyota 2010 Camry SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: moonroof and rear spoiler extra value package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, JBL AM/FM 6-disc in-dash CD changer, MP3 decoder, satellite radio, air conditioning and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.